The food supply chain is breaking.
Trips to the grocery store are getting pricier, continue to put a strain on the world's food supply.
A lot of weather problems in South America, so their crops were smaller. We've also seen some issues.
Food shortages are no longer just a memory of the past, they're becoming a very real threat again. Rising inflation, global conflicts, unpredictable weather, and supply chain disruptions are all creating the perfect storm. The shelves may look full today, but when the next crisis hits, they could be empty overnight. The question is, are you ready? When it comes to preparing, food is your #1 priority. But it's not about buying everything in sight. It's about stockpiling smart, sustainable items that will actually keep you alive and healthy when times get tough. Let's start with the basics. Grains. Rice, oats, and pasta are the backbone of any prepper pantry. They're cheap, versatile, and can last for years if stored properly. Pair them with beans and lentils, and you've got a powerhouse of protein and carbs that can sustain you for months. Next, canned goods. Think vegetables, fruits, tuna, chicken, and soups. They're easy to rotate, require no refrigeration, and provide variety in your meals. Don't forget canned tomatoes and sauces. These simple items can turn bland rice or pasta into a hearty, filling dish. Cooking oils are often overlooked, but are absolutely essential. Olive oil, coconut oil, or even ghee provide healthy fats and calories you'll need for energy. Just make sure to check their shelf life and rotate them regularly. Now let's talk about the hidden gems of food prepping. Powdered milk, peanut butter, and honey. Powdered milk ensures calcium and protein for your diet. Peanut butter is packed with protein and healthy fats, and honey never expires. These 3 items alone can provide comfort and nutrition in tough times. Freeze-dried and dehydrated foods are another game changer. While they may cost more up front, they last decades and only need water to prepare. Many preppers build entire food kits around freeze-dried meals because they're lightweight, portable, and nutrient-dense. Don't forget the basics that make cooking possible: salt, sugar, flour, and spices. These aren't just flavor boosters. Salt is critical for preserving food, and sugar can provide quick energy. Plus, familiar flavors help keep morale up in stressful times. And here's something many people overlook: water and ways to purify it. All the food in the world won't help if you don't have clean water to cook or drink. Stockpile bottled water, but also invest in purification tablets or a quality filter. Finally, think about comfort items: coffee, tea, chocolate, or even simple snacks. In a crisis, morale can be just as important as calories. A warm cup of coffee or a small piece of chocolate can keep your spirits up when the world feels like it's falling apart. Remember, preparing isn't about fear, it's about foresight. Start small, build steadily, and rotate your supplies so nothing goes to waste. Food shortages may be coming back, but if you prepare now, you'll never have to panic when the shelves go empty. The best time to stockpile was yesterday. The second best time is today. So, what's stopping you?